Hey guys, Christina here from The Main Objective, and I'm back with another video. I bet you guys didn't expect me to look like this coming fresh into the video, but it's okay. It's wash day, things happen, and since I wanted to talk about something really cool that's happening on my blog, I figured why not do it while you have to detangle your hair anyway. It's all related. Today's video is a kickoff to a new series that I'm launching on mainobjective.com called Back to Basics Natural Hair 101. But what I'm gonna go do is put some water on this hair because I've got to detangle it, and then once I get into that little groove, I'll start breaking down what the Back to Basics Natural Hair 101 series is all about. So, hello guys, I'm back and clearly getting into the swing of things with this detangling process. By the way, I am using BK Koa Be Clean Cleansing Conditioner. If you've followed me on Instagram, YouTube, anywhere for any other time, then you already know that this is that jam and this is that work. So that said, let's get into it. So I'm launching 101 series really as a way of accomplishing a couple of things. First and foremost, I need an actual regimen, and I need to try something out long enough to make sure that it works and to see those benefits come to fruition on my hair. Now, I know, I'm a product junkie. I brought it on myself. I tried so many things at a time because I love the thrill of the product chase. I know. And so what happened is, and the reason I came to this conclusion is when I went and got my hair cut by Brandy and we were kind of assessing the damage and what exactly had happened to my hair, she was like, girl, you are using too many products, doing way too much, too many different brands, you're all over the place with the products you use, you know. And it was her firm belief that my hair really didn't have kind of a sense of normalcy or like a normal state to return to, because I never gave it anything to go back to. Like, I had my staple products that I would sprinkle in here and there, but by and large, it was almost like every time I did my hair, I was using something different. So that said, she challenged me to go 6 months using the same set of products. And I was like, hold on, 6 months to a product junkie is a lot of time. But she was right. Deep down inside, I knew that Brandy was right and I needed to do something. Otherwise, I was gonna keep repeating this same pattern of growing out my hair, getting it really nice and healthy, and then gradually destroying it by sending it through these wild swings between pHs from different brands and different ingredients and all that kind of stuff. So I decided that I could commit to 3 months. Now the ultimate goal will be 6 months, a year, forever, whatever. But initially I was like, okay, let me give it 3 months. The second part of this Back to Basics Natural Hair 101 challenge is really revisiting and a revitalizing of the Curl Care 101 series that I did back in 2015, where I walked newbie naturals and transitioners through the process of understanding our hair and building a regimen that best suits healthy hair growth goals. I'm going to be revitalizing that as well, which will serve as a blueprint for, again, new naturals, transitioners, and folks like me who just year after year after year can't seem to get it right but know better. So this will be our opportunity to really cut out the noise, cut out the BS, cut out the new products that are launching every week, shut out all the DIYs and everything that's going on, and really focus on the core and the essence of what really truly works for our hair. Again, for the growth, the maintenance, and the health of our hair. The other reason I really wanted to do this is because, and I know y'all see it too, I am so over social media right now. Not in the sense that like I hate it and I don't want to be on it and I don't want to post, but in the sense that I feel like everybody is posting stupid-ish for attention. I just feel like folks are out here doing the absolute most, doing random challenges, concocting random ass recipes, and we get crowded and bombarded between these like ridiculous DIYs that honestly are probably better off served as like chip dip or something. Between that and the fact that these brands are releasing brand new collections every week, it seems like. There's a lot of unnecessary stuff that's floating around that's causing people who are truly seeking out like tested and founded information, they're getting drowned out in the noise. And I want to bring some balance back to the space so that it's not about shoving products down your throat. It's not just about buy. Over the course of the next 3 months, twice a month there'll be a new blog post. So the first and third Monday of every month, so of April, May, and June, you'll see a new blog post. I'll be doing weekly updates with like, you know, like regimen updates, sharing what products I'm using, that kind of stuff. I'll be doing that on Instagram. And that's really it, guys. Like I just want to help. Like my day one mission for even getting into blogging, it was never about being an influencer. It was never about getting ish for free or getting paid to promote or whatever. It was never about, okay. It was never about any of that. It was about helping, and as I discovered information and as I learned what worked for me, passing that information on to others so that they could apply it or, you know, tweak it to make it work for them. And so that's really what I want to get back to with this series. Like the $1 million question is like, okay, Christina, so what products are you actually going to use? Glad you asked. I'm using products from 3 brands, and what I want to do is I'm going to tell you what those brands are. There is a 4th one that I won't really be publicizing or mentioning that much because I just don't think that it's necessary, but I do want you guys to be aware that I will be using this product from this brand. If you've been a part of my blog, my Insta, my YouTube for any length of time, then you know that these are 3 brands that I absolutely adore, that I've used products from them over the years consistently, that they've all, in one form or another, they show up in like my Christina's Choice. They're all Black woman owned, which is another really important thing. I'll be able to spend some time showcasing and highlighting the true benefits of products made for us by us. So this should have been no surprise. Again, BK Koa, I'm only going to be using for wash day either the Be Clean cleansing conditioner or the Be Clear sulfate free shampoo. So these are the only 2. You won't see any other cleansers, nothing. This is it. These are the only 2 that I'm going to be using. For deep conditioning, I mentioned that one of the products is missing, so there are 3 deep conditioners that I'm going to be using. I have 2 of them on hand. The first one, again, should be no freaking surprise to you guys. It is the Soultanicals Fro Despair. You guys know I swear by this stuff. For pure moisture, TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask is what I'm going to be using. The product that I don't have on hand is the brand new TGIN Reconstructor. I was actually going to use Apog's 2-minute reconstructor for this purpose, but once TGIN dropped theirs, I was like, new opportunity. There are definitely still some pieces of damage, and I wanted to make sure I had a pure, like a really strong protein treatment to help with those areas of my hair. And so this is also an opportunity to show you guys the abilities of the TGIN Reconstructor in a 3-month time span. So leave-ins, moisturizers are concerned, I have 3, again 2 of them on hand, waiting for one to arrive, which is the TGIN Sweet Honey Hair Milk. But I will be kicking everything off with the TGIN Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know I love this stuff. And also, an oldie but a goodie, my faithful Mango Dip Detangling Slip from Soultanicals. I have 2 gels, and so the first one should be no surprise. TGIN Curl Bomb. You guys know I use Curl Bomb all the time. I've been raving about it since it came out. I've purchased several bottles of this in the past like month and a half, so I'm not even worried about running out. I've got this on deck, and I'll be using this and the other product that I'm going to use that I said I won't really be mentioning because honestly they don't need my promotion. Wetline Extreme Gel. So this is my all 2019 Eco Styler replacement. It's cheaper, it works better, it doesn't leave my hair feeling as crunchy and dry, and so that's it. So these are the only 2 gels that I will be using for wash and go and gel-based styling purposes. Lastly, finishing / refreshing products. So first on the list of finishing products is Be Slayed Firm Hold Paraben Free Water Soluble Miracle in a 2-ounce jar. And this is BKCOA's Edge Control. Something I discovered that I really liked, which I'm going to be using as my refresher, is the TGIN Rose Water Refresher. I'm going to have a bigger bottle than this because this won't last 3 months, but I do like to use this on those days where my curls just need a little extra oomph, and I'm trying to extend wash day out just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. So I'll be reaching for the TGIN Rose Water Refresher Spray. Lastly, a product that I'm very excited to have in my possession for 3 months is the BKCOA Mana Butter. It's a smooth, soft yet firm butter. So I'll be using the Mana Butter as my sealant / gel cast breaker / end protectant, and I'll actually film a video either for YouTube or Instagram. I'll do a video showing you guys how I break my gel cast and how it makes my curls super plump and juicy. That is the meat and potatoes of the Back to Basics Natural Hair 101 and the challenge that I'm issuing to myself. You can feel free to join me in this challenge if you're interested in sticking to a regimen of specific hair products for 3 months. Definitely, you know, chime in the comments below and let me know. If you have any questions whatsoever about the Back to Basics 101, if you have any questions about any of the products that I'm going to be using, also don't forget to click the link in the description box. That is where the full blog post that details all the products that I'm using and all the info about the series that I'm launching, or go to mainobjective.com and you can join in on the fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.